Hi, welcome again to the rctohobby.com YouTube channel. We're here now with the Redcat Racing C50 ready to fly mini airplane. This was just introduced in July of 2012. It's let's see, what do we get here? See, it's ready to fly after 5 minutes assembly. It's a 3-channel trainer. You've got a 2.4 gigahertz radio. Got it built in, the ESC, the servos are all there. Also, all the control linkages are already set up, so you really don't have to do anything for the electronics except just install the battery. And you need 4 alkaline batteries for the radio. Other than that, everything's already in the box. So let's see what we got. We got manual, we'll need this. Radio, got to have a radio. We've got this is the plug-in to charge the battery. This is the balance charger for the battery. Got an extra prop in here. So you got the main prop, the spinner. You got landing gear for it. Then got, what do we have here? We have a battery, tiny little battery. Wing, and of course, got nice fuselage here. Got a nice number on it. Looks like a real plane. Got let's see, yeah. So it's kind of got windows that are painted on, so it looks like a real airplane. Of course, you've got the motor. Everything's already set up, so you just have to put the prop on there. Landing gear on the bottom. This is this hatch here. This is for the battery. And the electronics, the servos, everything's wired in here. All you have to do again is to put in the battery once you've got the rest of the landing gear on. And actually what we can do with this, since it's, like if you got this as a present for somebody and you want to check it out without totally putting everything together, you actually can do that. The battery should be charged up before you fly it, but it should come with some charge on it. So what we can do is we can go ahead and, actually let's get some alkaline batteries in the radio first. Let's pull the hatch off. 1, 2, 3, 4. Turn the radio on. Okay, got green light, that's good. Get the radio on first, then deal with the plane. The one plug, this is a balance plug, this is what you use to charge it. This plug, the other plug with the red plug is the one you use to hook into the airplane. Just make sure that you got the polarity right, black to black, red to red. Lights on, okay. Again, this is actually a 3-channel one, and what you've got, this is the throttle, and the throttle and the rudder in this case are actually both on the left stick, which is good, and elevator is on the right stick. Throttle and rudder on the left stick is good if you want to move to a 4-channel plane that has the ailerons on it. Then it's easier to move, because when you go to 4 channels, you've got the throttle and the rudder here, and the aileron and the elevator on this side. Some trainers, 3-channel trainers, are set up with the rudder on the right side, so then when you move to 4-channel, you have to get used to having the rudder on the other side. Okay, now if we notice, woo, there we go. So throttle works. Okay. Let's see. Does the rudder work? Rudder moves. Rudder moves, okay. Elevator. Elevator also moves. Either way, okay. I've got another switch on there too, the radio. It's really not labeled. There's a switch that's between the on-off power indicator and the light, and this is a dual rate switch. So this is on Think of this with the switch is to the left, then it's on when the power switch is on, and when it's off, then you have more throw with the levers, or the control surfaces. So let's see here. That's with the dual rates off, okay? Turn it back on. There's less travel. So having the dual rate switch on can be recommended for beginners to make it a little bit easier to fly. So it looks like this thing's working now. So we'll go ahead and put it together. We'll take the battery out first before we turn the radio off. So this thing looks like this is going to be fun. Just be gentle. Turn it off. Now we're ready to put it together.